Dear students, welcome to the classroom. In previous video, we have learned input and output devices, and today we are going to learn processing unit and storage unit. So watch the video carefully. Dear students, the processing unit contains the CPU, it means central processing unit, and other electronic components that help the CPU to process the input according to the program and generate output. The CPU of a computer is a small chip made of silicon. It is also known as the microprocessor. All the electronic circuits of the computer are fixed on this small chip. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. It controls the entire working of the computer. It processes the input with the help of program and gives the output. On receiving the data and instructions from the input devices, the CPU decides what to do, how to do it, and which units will do it, and accordingly it sends messages or signals to those units. After processing the data, the CPU generates information and displays it through the output units. The CPU consists of three components: control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and memory. Control unit (CU). The CU controls and coordinates the movement of data and manages processing. It receives the input, transfers it to the ALU, and obtains the result from the ALU. The CU also controls the storage of data in the memory. Arithmetic and logic unit (ALU). Dear students, all the arithmetic and logic operations are done by the ALU. The CU first gets information from the memory and then transfers it to the ALU to perform operations. The ALU performs the operations and sends the results back to the memory. Memory. Dear students, the memory receives data from the CU and stores it. The CU then sends this data to the ALU for processing and producing the output. The CU collects this output and sends it to the memory for storage. The CU then instructs the memory to send the output to the output devices. Now we will see storage unit. Dear students, as you already know, a computer can store a large amount of data in its memory. All the programs and data are stored in the computer's memory. There are two kinds of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. Dear students, primary memory is also known as the main memory. The primary memory of a computer consists of a large number of cells. Each cell consists of piece of information. Each cell is identified by a number which is known as the address of that cell. A cell address is used to refer to a particular cell. The cell address is different from the contents of that cell. So, when you want to store any information in a particular cell, it is necessary to specify the cell address and the information to be stored in it. Similarly, to read any information from a cell, it is necessary to specify the cell address. There are two kinds of primary memory: RAM and ROM. RAM. The full form of RAM is Random Access Memory. Information is stored in RAM in the form of electrical pulses. Hence, anything stored in RAM will remain stored there only as long as electric power is supplied to the computer. If there is an interruption in the power supply, or if you switch off the computer, you will lose all the information stored in RAM. Hence, RAM of a computer is a temporary memory of volatile memory. Dear students, in RAM, information is stored using bits. A bit is a binary digit, which can be either 0 or 1. A group of 8 bits is called byte. ROM. Dear students, the full form of ROM is read-only memory. All the programs and the softwares that help to run a computer are stored in ROM. Information stored in ROM can only be read. It cannot be changed, or it is not lost even when you switch off the computer. Hence, ROM of computer is a permanent memory or non-volatile memory. Now we will see secondary memory. Dear students, the secondary memory of a computer is also known as the external memory. As you know, RAM is a temporary memory which is lost when you switch off the computer. Now, there may be some information that you need to store permanently. Such information can be stored in the secondary memory. Information stored in secondary memory can be erased or some new information can be overwritten on it. Dear students, there are 4 kinds of external storage devices for secondary memory: hard disk, CD, DVD and USB flash drive. Hard disk. Dear students, the hard disk is a small magnetic disk enclosed in a sealed box called the hard drive. The hard drive is inside the CPU box. A computer can read from or write on the hard disk. The hard disk stores all the information on its magnetic area, and so information stored in the hard disk will not be erased even if there is an interruption in power supply or if the computer is switched off. Hence, the hard disk is a permanent storage device. It is not removable. A hard disk is much faster than a floppy disk and has a huge storage capacity. It can store more information than a floppy disk. CD compact disk. Dear students, a CD is used to read or write data. A special CD drive installed in the computer is used to read or write data on a CD. Dear students, there are 3 types of CDs. CD-ROM. Compact disk read-only memory. You can only read the data or listen to the content saved on it. You cannot make any changes to the data written on such CDs. CDR compact disk recordable. Students, these are blank CDs on which you can write and save data only once. You need a special CDRW drive to write and save data on it. CDRW compact disk rewritable. Dear students, they are known as erasable disk. You can write and save data several times. You need a special CDRW drive to write on the CD. DVD digital versatile disk, digital video disk. Dear students, a DVD has a high storage capacity with good quality. DVD and CD look similar, but a DVD can store more amount of data than a CD. You need a DVD drive to access the data on the DVD. Dear students, like CDs, there are 3 types of DVDs. DVD-ROM. Dear students, you can only view the data from this DVD. You cannot change the data on it. DVD-R. Dear students, it is a blank DVD on which you can store data with the help of a special DVD-RW drive. DVD-RW. Dear students, it is similar to CD-RW. USB flash drive. Dear students, today a USB flash drive is a very popular storage device. A USB flash drive is also removable and rewritable. It is much smaller than a CD, DVD, but much faster and can store more data than a CD and DVD. It weighs less than 30 grams with a storage capacity of 265 GB. So dear students, in this video we have learned about processing unit and memory unit. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.